Here are some fun and lesser-known facts about Formula One racing. 1. F1 cars can drive upside down. Thanks to their extreme aerodynamics, an F1 car generates enough downforce at high speeds to drive upside down in a tunnel, theoretically, of course. 2. Pit stops are faster than a blink. The fastest recorded pit stop was just 1.82 seconds by Red Bull Racing, which is quicker than the average human blink, about 0.3 to 0.4 seconds. 3. Drivers lose a lot of weight during races. Due to extreme G-forces and high cockpit temperatures, an F1 driver can lose 3 to 5 kilograms, 6 to 11 pounds, of body weight in a single race. 4. Teams use coded radio messages. While team radio messages are broadcast, teams often use subtle or misleading codes to hide their real strategies from competitors. 5. Tires only last a few laps at full speed. The softest F1 tires can degrade in just 10 to 15 laps, requiring teams to carefully balance speed and durability. 6. F1 cars have no fuel gauge. Instead of a traditional fuel gauge, teams rely on complex telemetry and calculations to manage fuel consumption throughout the race. 7. Tracks have secret water drainage systems. Many circuits, like Singapore and Monaco, have special underground drainage systems to prevent standing water during wet races. 8. The steering wheel costs more than a supercar. An F1 steering wheel, packed with over 20 buttons, switches, and LED screens, can cost $50,000 to $100,000, more than a Porsche 911. 9. Drivers can adjust their brakes while driving. Using a dial on the steering wheel, drivers can change the brake balance between the front and rear wheels mid-race to suit conditions. 10. The champagne tradition started by accident. In 1967, Dan Gurney unintentionally started the champagne spraying tradition after winning the Le Mans 24 Hours race. Not F1, but motorsport culture adopted it. F1 is full of wild details like these. It's why it's one of the most exciting sports on the planet.